Ruptured my hose. Being stupid. Not enough air to blow it through. All right, we'll pause ya. Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry, and I'm back on my daughter's deer blind. I don't know if I described what I was doing before, but this is my daughter's deer blind. She had her baby last year, just a couple weeks before opening day rifle season here in Michigan, which is November 15th. She's a pretty accomplished hunter. She's gotten some really big bucks. And last year, her baby was 2 weeks old come rifle season. Let's see. He was born October 29th, so she kind of missed out last year. Where she hunts, she's got a big tract of land she hunts on, mostly farm field. She gets big 8 points and 10 points every year. Well, since she couldn't go last year, I thought I'd build her this for this coming up deer season. So my plan is, you saw the other two videos and you saw me change my mind. And we can change our minds as we're going along. I was going to do a reverse board and batten on this, meaning the battens were behind the boards, and I was using vertical live edge, and it was looking pretty cool. I liked it, but this trailer got ridiculously heavy, and now I can lift it and move it around right now as it is, and she will be able to pull it out with her quad where she wants it, and then set it up is the plan. But I took that down. I changed my mind. I liked it, but it was too much for this little deer blind. They're just too, maybe if I had smaller boards, it would have looked better. But I decided to go with this. So what I'm doing to this, this is just like an underlayment. We call it Luan here in Michigan. I guess that's probably the brand name. It's basically just, 1/4 inch plywood, smooth. And then I'm gonna coat this. I might use that green life extend copper extend, I don't know what it's called. I might use, let me grab it. I might use this on the sides of it. Wood Life copper coat. It's basically you're making your own womanized. Believe it or not, I think it's probably a little bit better than a womanized wood you buy at the store. I've not had any failures with that stuff yet, and I've had that gallon for a while. I might use that first and then paint it with an exterior paint, because this stuff does dry really fast, absorbs into it. It won't be wet like womanized. Or I'm just going to paint it with exterior paint. I do have some like a green paint I'm going to put on it, and then seal it with epoxy. I build kayaks and canoes, boats, and that might be the way to seal it up, with some epoxy after I paint it. So let me know in the comments what you think I should do. You know, in Luan, this plywood's pretty cheap. So if it fails in 10 years, so be it. But there's going to be trim. The trim I had on here, I'm going to use that trim up and around all the pieces, all the edges. That's why a little bit of waviness ain't a big deal. Then the inside's all going to be trimmed out. My plan is to use cherry on the inside, on the walls. I think that would look really cool. But this will be all black, and this should be like a light green back behind it. I think that's about the color of the paint I bought. I think it'll look pretty good. So let's keep going on this. Let's get the rest of this Luan on that side. All this stuff is just covering the cracks. I didn't have enough tar paper to go around it. So how's that old saying go? use it up, wear it out, make it do or do without. Well, I'm going to use it up. And I don't have enough, so we'll do without.
Hey guys, I went to put the roof on today, the steel, and I ended up ordering steel that was 20 inches too long. Instead of cutting it, I'm ordering some new steel, so hopefully it will be here soon in the next couple of days. So that will do it for this video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Take care.